Hey everyone, I'm just gonna play a little tourism today, and then gonna play tourism, you gotta bring your camera. So I'm gonna show you guys how to load this camera. I just got this one. It's a Canon 500N. It's the same model as Model G, and that's the ones I normally use, but it's like the European one. So we'll see how it turns out. So most important thing is camera, and then film. Film. Alright, so first thing first, I do auto just when I'm setting, otherwise I do manual normally. So open up, but make sure you see, there's a button, pop it up, open, there it is. Make sure, tab, actually doesn't have a little, forgot that it loads it yourself. I'm used to doing manual things. So put the film in, just like that, slide it, make sure it goes in. Like I said, this is my first time using this camera, so we'll see how it acts. Close it like that. Let's see if we hear it. Hear it going? It's going. Going down with numbers. Then you know it's ready. All right, let's take a picture. Well, I don't really want that picture over here. All right, we're set. And let's go get it developed when we're all done.